All right, we have some big news coming in. The Congress's chief, big attack on Yogi Adityanath, the Gerua attack on Yogi. Kharge says many live in guise of sadhus and become CMs. They wear the Gerua, have no hair on their head, and then they become CMs. A direct jibe, it appears, at Yogi Adityanath. Mallikarjun Kharge says those wearing the Gerua and say, Patoge to katoge, these are the kind of people who become the CM. Let's hear it, what he said.
कौन एक साधु के बेस में रहते हैं, लेकिन अच्छे पॉलिटिशियंस बन गए हैं, चीफ मिनिस्टर भी बने हैं और उनका गेरुआ कपड़े पहनते हैं और सर पे बाल भी नहीं रखते। तो ऐसे एक नेता है जो बीजेपी ने पैदा किए। ठीक है कि हम मुझसे कोई, मैं ये कह रहा हूं उनको, बीजेपी को, या तो सफेद कपड़े डालो या तो सन्यासी कपड़े डालते हो, गेरुआ डालते हो, पॉलिटिक्स से बाहर हो जाओ। भाई उसकी पवित्रता क्या रही? एक तरफ गेरुआ कपड़े डालते हो, जज साहब आपको पूछ रहा हूं, एक तरफ गेरुआ कपड़े डालते हो, दूसरों को उपदेश करते हो, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे बोलते हो, और ये क्यों डाले? अरे आपका काम तो सबको जोड़ना, सबसे प्रेम से बात करना, सबको एक रखना, वो सब छोड़ के इन्होंने भारत जोड़ने के लिए, जैसा कि राहुल गांधी ने कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर तक पैदल चला, आराम में बड़े बड़े गाड़ियां लेके घूम रहे और गरीबों की बात करते हैं और लोगों में विष भर रहे हैं, तोड़ने का काम कर रहे हैं। तो इसलिए इनसे होशियार रहना ये जरूरी है।
All right, Ritik Bhalekar for more on that. Ritik, what context did Mallikarjun Kharge say what he said? It's a real bold statement while he's spoken in a poll-bound state, speaking of Yogi Adityanath, about his appearance, about his saffron robe, about him, indicating that a man who wears the gerao and does not have hair on his head goes on to become the chief minister for the BJP is basically pointing out at Yogi Adityanath. He said it in as many words without actually using Yogi's name. Ritik, if you can hear me.
Yes, absolutely, Nabila. So, after PM Modi's divisive politics remark, I think Congress president has hit back very strongly, saying that batenge to katenge cry has been given by Yogi Adityanath, who was rallying in Maharashtra for the upcoming assembly polls, and rightly he has again, without taking his name, pointed out that these are the people, I mean the ruling party is the only one who is trying to play divisive politics by giving such statements of batenge to katenge, and also even PM Modi said it in a rally in Maharashtra that ek rahenge to safe rahenge. So there are statements being made from both the sides, and both the sides are trying to allege each other of the divisive politics.
All right. Thanks very much, Ritik, for joining us with those details.